How to delete Instagram search suggestion. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure that your application is up to date. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, click on the search icon at the bottom and then click on the search bar. Well, it will show you all the suggestions of the people that you have searched before. In order to remove or delete them, simply click on this cross icon. But if you want to delete all of them at once, what you want to do is click on See All. It will show you all the list of the people that you have searched for. Click on Clear All at the top right corner. Once again click on Clear All. Well, the search history has been cleared. Now, if you go back and once again head over to your search section, the suggestion of the people won't be available anymore. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete Instagram search suggestions. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.